back to my channel, and you can probably tell from the fireworks we are going to tackle some 4th of July nails today. These are the colors that I've chosen. I know that blue is not the perfect blue, but I thought it was close enough, and it really goes with the glitter I have. So I thought, I'm doing an abstract set anyway. Let's go ahead and use it, and I hope that you agree that it turned out pretty darn good. So we're going to actually do 2 nails in this color. We're going to do 2 nails in the red color, and then we're going to paint one of these nails white. I don't know if you have any plans for the 4th of July, but if you do, please keep it safe. There's way too much going on in the world to start a fire with fireworks that are not important enough to set off right now, especially if you live in the drier parts of the country. So let's just really support each other right now by being safe on this holiday that's coming up. Now we are going to put a nice juicy base coat on both of these nails. We are going to use a lot of base coat in this set. So this base coat is going to have some glitter pressed into it. This is the thumbnail and the pinky nail. And I'm taking this glitter that I showed you at the beginning, and it's got silver and blue and red. And I just thought it really went with the holiday. Gives it a sparkle, kind of like the fireworks that I asked you to please be safe with. So put the fireworks on your nails. There you go. Let's do that. And then once we get this all pressed in the way we like it, we're going to go ahead and do the same to the red nail. And then we're going to cure it for 90 full seconds just to make sure everything gets fully cured. Okay, on 2 of the nails, this red one and a blue one, we are going to come in with the base coat. And then in that uncured base coat, we're going to do that technique where you do just dots of polish. And then with a striper brush, or in this case an ombre brush, I'm going to come in and just do some very abstract, I said a blue nail, I meant a white nail. Sorry, white nail. I'm just going to do abstract stripes to just mimic the idea of the stripes and the stars and stripes. We will get to the stars in just a moment. Now I've base coated everything else, and we are going to come in on this last nail and add the stars in our stars and stripes via this really cool set of stars on this plate from Wokota. I'm going to do just a tiny bit of filing on the 2 nails with the glitter, because I did do two coats of base coat so that I could smooth the nails out just a bit. Guys, this is the finished set. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you think this one is as cute as I think it is. I know I had promised you guys an unboxing, but I wanted to get this one out before the 4th of July. So Friday will be the unboxing video. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you then. Bye-bye.